What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? We're going home. So just leaving Jersey Shore Power Sports over here. So just picked up the Riker, dropped off the Spyder. Spyder's getting a sway bar. There's also a recall on it. It's just a computer flash thing. It's nothing, I guess, to help with it getting started or something like that. I'm going to take a look at the power steering, make sure that's up to snuff too, and change out the factory sway bar to a Baja run. But I have my Riker back. Now the question is, did the repair work? That's what I hope to find out. So while I'm still out here in New Jersey, I'm going to try my best to kind of put this thing through its barrel and roost. Okay. Put it through its paces, you know, and see if I can't break it. Okay, I'm coming up on the Navasink River. You know what? I think I'm going to go down left here. So we're going to cruise through New Jersey over here and land at jug handles in dead-end neighborhoods. Fun times, fun times. I mean, it does feel weird being on the Riker. Not in a bad way, but you know, it has been a while. You know, been usually taking the Spyder out. Oh, the acceleration, I love it. There's some nice houses out here. Nicey nice. Think with how nice this neighborhoods are, man, they would fucking redo these roads. You know, if I was paying $1 million a year in property taxes, I want my roads paved, man. And I would definitely be pissed if I had to drive on this shit. Okay, here's a nice big left-hand turn. Let's see how the yep, VSS just kicked in. You can feel it. How about this side? Kicked in on the left-hand turn, not the right-hand turn. I have a bad feeling, bro. I have a bad feeling. left-hand turn jitter did not exist before. Did not exist when I got this bike. So if I got the update kit, then something's going on. And yeah, I might have them replace the yaw sensor just for shits and giggles. When these things, they get into your head, man. They definitely get into your head. Definitely weird getting used to your bike again. You know, I've been almost exclusively using the Spyder, and you know, it's this is a different experience. It's a lot more responsive, very peppy, you know. Ridiculously peppy. You definitely get yourself in some butt puckering situations on this puppy. Yeah, don't let the numbers fool you. It's not the most powerful engine in the world. It doesn't have the most torque. You know. On paper, you would think all these things together would equal shit, but it doesn't. Okay. Oh shit! I think I know where I'm at. Coming up into the Highlands, I think. Oh. I think if I stay on this, I will get to. Hey, I think if I stay on this, I'll get to, whatchamacallit? The Humana. Ah, god damn it. What the hell you call it? The park with the, Sandy Hook. Sandy Hook, that's what it is. Sandy Hook. I wonder if the lighthouse is open. I know there's a lighthouse up there somewhere. Drive down the shore and go get lunch since I'm here. There's the lighthouses up there. We're on the way back. for the season. I think they close up shop for test out the left-hand turn here. Inconclusive. It's a little hard to differentiate the roadway from the VSS. Because, you know, we weren't really going that fast, so I think it'd be kind of subtle.
I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm here seeing stars. I could take all of my time just trying to describe her, I don't know where to start. All my life I knew she's my baby, I can't hide it, making me crazy. Sometimes I close my eyes and dream about when we met in high school, and I've been trying to tell her this lately. She's more father rock in the 80s. I think about her when I sleep, like back when we were 17.
new kit's been installed. So still getting used to this machine. Jesus, why does this feel like this is open?